Do you ever ponder what it would feel like to sleep inside a train? If you are like me, that is also curious, you clicked in the right video. Welcome to Travel Guide International, where our main priority is to inspire viewers with captivating travel experiences and ignite their wanderlust, encouraging them to explore new destinations and cultures. Today, we're taking you on an enchanting ride aboard Japan's overnight train, a breathtaking fusion of modern opulence and timeless tradition. Get ready to find out as we traverse through the mesmerizing landscapes, savor delectable cuisine, and immerse ourselves in the essence of Japan's rich heritage. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned till the very to witness the captivating allure of Japan's overnight train, a mesmerizing blend of elegance and culture that will leave you yearning for an adventure you'll never forget. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare to experience the ultimate luxury on Japan's overnight train, a one-of-a-kind adventure that will leave you in awe at every turn. Let's dive in. Number 1. The West Express Ginga Premier. The West Express Ginga Premier is a remarkable overnight train that takes luxury travel to new heights, allowing you to embark on a captivating journey through the scenic landscapes of Japan. From the moment you step foot on this train, you'll be immersed in a world of elegance and comfort, where no detail has been overlooked. The interior design showcases a harmonious blend of traditional Japanese aesthetics and modern sophistication, creating a serene ambience that sets the stage for an unforgettable experience. The cabins are spacious and beautifully appointed, offering plush seating and comfortable beds for a restful night's sleep. As you glide through the picturesque countryside, the large windows provide panoramic views of Japan's natural beauty, while the observation car offers a perfect vantage point to marvel at the passing landscapes. The dining car is a culinary delight, where you can indulge in gourmet dishes prepared with the finest seasonal ingredients, accompanied by breathtaking views. The attentive and professional staff members go above and beyond to ensure your comfort and satisfaction, providing personalized service that adds an extra touch of luxury to your journey. Number 2. Interior of the West Express Ginga Premier. Firstly, the interior of the West Express Ginga Premier is a testament to the seamless fusion of traditional Japanese aesthetics and modern sophistication. From the moment you step inside, you'll be immersed in a world of beauty and tranquility. The train's design showcases elements such as wood paneling, paper screens, and soft ambient lighting, creating a serene and inviting atmosphere that transports you to a bygone era. The spacious and tastefully decorated cabins provide a comfortable retreat, complete with cozy beds, plush seating, and ample storage space. The large windows in each cabin not only allow for abundant natural light but also offer stunning panoramic views of the passing landscapes, allowing you to soak in the breathtaking beauty of Japan's countryside. Whether you choose to relax in your private cabin or socialize in the common areas, you'll be surrounded by a sense of elegance and refinement that enhances the overall travel experience. Number 3. Experience the gastronomic cuisine. When it comes to dining, the West Express Ginga Premier elevates gastronomic indulgence to an extraordinary level. Step into the dining car and prepare to venture on a culinary journey like no other. Talented chefs showcase their expertise by crafting a delectable array of gourmet dishes, meticulously prepared using the finest seasonal ingredients. Each meal is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, showcasing both traditional Japanese delicacies and international cuisine. The dining car itself exudes an air of sophistication, with elegant decor and large windows that offer breathtaking panoramic views of the passing landscapes. As you savor each bite, you'll be immersed in a world of culinary delights, where every dish is a masterpiece in itself. Whether you're enjoying a breakfast of freshly baked pastries, a lunch featuring local specialties, or an exquisite multi-course dinner, the dining experience on the West Express Ginga Premier is a true feast for the senses. Number 4. Witness the observation car. One of the most enchanting features of the West Express Ginga Premier is undoubtedly its observation car. This specially designed car offers an unparalleled vantage point to admire the ever-changing landscapes of Japan. With its expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the surrounding countryside, from lush green fields to snow-capped mountains and serene coastal vistas. The comfortable seating arrangements allow you to relax and unwind as you witness the breathtaking scenery unfold before your eyes. Whether you're traveling during the vibrant cherry blossom season or experiencing the vibrant colors of autumn, the observation car provides an intimate connection with Japan's natural wonders. It's the perfect place to sip a cup of tea, reflect on your journey, and create lasting memories as you are captivated by the stunning vistas that pass by. Number 5. Exceptional service. In terms of service, the West Express Ginga Premier sets a high standard for ensuring the utmost comfort and satisfaction of its passengers. The exceptional staff members are not only attentive and professional but also genuinely dedicated to providing personalized service. From the moment you step on board, you'll be greeted with warm smiles and a genuine desire to make your journey as seamless as possible. The staff goes above and beyond to cater to your needs, whether it's assisting with luggage, arranging special requests, or offering insightful information about the destinations you'll be visiting. Their attention to detail and commitment to exceptional service add an extra layer of luxury to your experience, making you feel truly pampered and well taken care of throughout your journey on the West Express Ginga Premier. Lastly, the West Express Ginga Premier takes you on a captivating journey through some of Japan's most scenic regions, offering a unique opportunity to discover hidden gems and cultural treasures. As the train traverses its route, you'll be treated to a diverse tapestry of landscapes, from the bustling energy of vibrant cities to the tranquil beauty of serene countryside. Each season brings its own charm, whether it's the delicate cherry blossoms in spring, the vibrant hues of autumn foliage, or the serene snow-covered landscapes in winter. Whichever time of year you embark on this overnight train adventure, you'll be greeted with breathtaking vistas and an immersive experience that allows you to fully appreciate the wonders of Japan. In conclusion, the West Express Ginga Premier is more than just a mode of transportation. It is a remarkable travel experience that combines luxury, comfort, and adventure. From the meticulously designed interiors and the indulgent amenities to the gourmet dining and the awe-inspiring views, this overnight train offers a truly unforgettable journey through Japan. Whether you're seeking relaxation, cultural immersion, or simply a unique way to explore the country, the West Express Ginga Premier delivers on all fronts. So, step aboard this extraordinary train and let it whisk you away on a captivating adventure, leaving you with cherished memories that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this virtual exploration of the West Express Ginga Premier, Japan's extraordinary overnight train. If you're craving an unforgettable travel experience, we invite you to consider embarking on a real-life journey aboard this luxurious train. Immerse yourself in the elegant design, savor gourmet cuisine, and indulge in the panoramic views of Japan's stunning landscapes. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a solo adventure, or a memorable family trip, the West Express Ginga Premier promises to deliver an unparalleled experience. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create lifelong memories.